Vaisala has been creating innovative measurement solutions for over 80 years. Today, Vaisala is a global provider of industrial measurement solutions with offices and distributors in over 150 countries. From the Mars Curiosity rover to the Mona Lisa to almost all of the world's top pharmaceutical and biotechnology companies, Vaisala solutions safeguard critical assets. Our industry-leading investment in research and development ensures that we will continue to deliver innovative measurement solutions. In 2018, Vaisala received an International Quality Innovation Award for the viewLinc Continuous Monitoring System. Designed for GxP-regulated and critical monitoring applications, viewLinc is available in 8 languages and scales easily to support global operations. viewLinc provides alarming, real-time trends and reports for compliance with GxP and other regulations. Vaisala data loggers contain onboard memory to record data at the point of measurement. Data is saved to viewLinc's database with automatic backfill after any network interruption. viewLinc can be accessed in a browser from mobile, PC, or tablet. Data is also safeguarded by a secure audit trail, system access controls, authority segregation, encrypted communications, and data origin checks. Configure alarms to fit your workflow and procedures. Set up multi-stage alarms, automated escalation, and non-reportable warnings. Create reports as you need them and schedule regular report delivery by email. All reports are designed to aid in compliance with 21 CFR Part 11 and Annex 11. Create live trend data by dragging monitored locations into viewLinc's Trend View. Add multiple locations for comparative analysis. Hover over a trend line to view specific data. Edit trend settings for date and duration and save as a location history report. Reports can be exported to PDF or spreadsheet. Use the dashboard to create graphical representations of monitored areas. Simply upload a photograph or floor plan to create a dashboard view. To add sensors to the dashboard, select a sensor channel and drag it to its location in your facility image. Save the dashboard and click on a sensor icon to view measurement and alarm data. Dashboards ensure familiarity with the physical location of multiple sensors in a monitored area. viewLinc helps you learn the system as you use it. The Welcome Tour walks you through the system setup. Another tour shows you how to acknowledge alarms. A tour pop-up will show you where to go in the interface to complete tasks. For more advanced system use, viewLinc also includes comprehensive embedded help. Use the Alarm Template tour to create time-saving alarm templates. Save time with other viewLinc templates for device alarms, threshold alarms, alarm notifications, and schedules. As a sensor manufacturer, Vaisala offers the widest range of parameters for continuous monitoring, including temperature, relative humidity, carbon dioxide, differential pressure, door contacts, other parameters with universal input data loggers, and compatible Vaisala transmitters. Vaisala hardware is designed for a variety of demanding applications. You get superior measurement, accuracy, stability, and flexibility. Devices can be deployed in a standalone viewLinc network or integrated with other platforms to allow multiple options for monitoring and control. Data loggers can connect to viewLinc over Vaisala's proprietary wireless technology, ViNet. Data loggers can also be connected over Ethernet or on your existing Wi-Fi network. Your viewLinc server can reside on physical, virtual, or cloud servers and is accessed through a web browser. For GxP-regulated applications, Vaisala's installation qualification and operational qualification protocol is a simple solution for validating viewLinc. Vaisala offers an optional GxP documentation package that supports the typical needs of monitoring in regulated applications, including user requirements specification, functional specification, traceability matrix, and risk assessment. Vaisala's validation and application engineers become an extension of your quality organization. We collaborate with your team in the installation, qualification, and documentation of your viewLinc system. viewLinc's lifecycle maintenance agreement ensures that your monitoring system performs for years to come. We offer a range of services including installation, validation, software maintenance, priority technical support, training, and calibration, factory or on-site. Vaisala offers field and factory calibrations. Some devices have detachable smart probes that are easy to replace. Simply send the probe to Vaisala for calibration or order on-site calibration from your Vaisala service center where available. viewLinc provides reliable monitoring, flexible alarming, and compliant reporting for multiple applications and controlled environments. With robust devices that install quickly and easy-to-use software, viewLinc is the most trusted solution for environmental monitoring, alarming, and reporting. In regulated and critical environments, viewLinc delivers.